the psychological implications that comes with the outreach that we created on social media, that is a problem. That is a problem that would or might even stay with them for a longer period than we expect. Until it happens to you, you will not understand. I mean, it happened to me. I had my fair share of ukthukwa abantu, because of things that I've said on social media. It took me a very long time to be myself again. And sengiqalile myself manje. Ngakho ngizohlupha ke manje. Ay ngizohlupha ku social media. Sengiqalile futhi. It's me, guys. One day I'll die. And ngizothini? I shrinked myself because bantu social media bangithuka. That can't be my life. But mina ngiyadlalela. Yabo manje ngiyahlupha. I just mean ngiyadlala. I just want to play around. Ngofa abantu fethu bengofe nabo. Have a laugh, have a joy. Now if social media is going to limit me from doing that, you don't know how many times I deleted and reinstalled, deactivated, reactivated social media because of what happened to me. But now I can't. I want to be that. And crazy thing is, I've had so many near gig offers to ish. But the way, dog, if you don't like me as I am, then the gig is not mine. Cause me everything ngiyazidlalela mfethu. Ngiyazidlalela. Mina even on air mfethu, I get away with a lot of shit because I just want to have fun. And people who understand the thing that I do also have fun with me. Okay, this is long. Thank you.